Here I have Meizu 15 and let me show you how to insert your Nano SIM card on the following device. So at the very beginning you need to start by pressing the power key, keep holding power, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards you need to find and select the slot. The slot is located right here at the right edge of the screen. Simply use some eject tool to open the slot. Let's just press it right here. Now you can remove the whole slot from your device, so let me do it. And here you can insert Nano SIM card. As you can see here you can insert two SIM cards, so you can use it as the dual SIM card. But in my case let me use just one, so here let me use my SIM card. This is the slot for the first SIM card. And let's insert the whole thing into your device. Let me do it again. And press it to the end. Now let's press power key to switch on your phone and wait until your device will be ready to use. Alright, as you can see the pin protection pops up, so right now you can simply unlock your device, unlock your SIM card and start using your network connection. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.